Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is, How to Transfer XRP from Zum to Uphold, 2025, and by the end of this, you'll be transferring your XRP like a pro. Whether you're looking to move your assets for better security, trading, or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need the Zum Wallet app installed on your phone, it's the go-to for XRP, and an Uphold account ready to receive your funds. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. We're talking about 2025 now, so expect some sleek updates, but the core process remains user-friendly. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Zum app and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP wallet and select the amount you want to transfer. Double-check that figure because accuracy is key in crypto. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll need to enter the destination address. Head over to your Uphold account, go to the XRP section, and copy that wallet address. Paste it into Zum, and add any required tags or memos if Uphold specifies them. This helps prevent your transfer from getting lost in the blockchain ether. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. In 2025, you might see enhanced features like real-time fee estimates, so choose the fastest option if you're in a rush. Confirm the transfer, and voila, your XRP is on its way. Once sent, keep an eye on your Uphold dashboard. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication to keep your accounts secure amid the evolving crypto landscape. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Zum to Uphold in 2025. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the digital world. See you in the next video.